So we just landed in California. We have a shoot set up for tomorrow in Yosemite. Me and Nick both have not ever been here, and so today we're taking the time to drive out there and find the locations that we're going to shoot. It's always the first thing we want to do is get some boots on the ground so we can really see what's going to work best for us to shoot. You can kind of scout it out beforehand online and get kind of a basic idea of where you might want to shoot, but you really have no idea until you're actually there and can figure it out. So I'm super excited. It's gorgeous out here. It's so much fun just mixing up in the middle of the wedding season and getting a little bit of variety and location. I mean, it's Yosemite. This is a bucket list shoot for us. We have never done this one, and yeah, we're pretty pumped. I want to swim in it.
This is so sick.
I think this is incredible. This is probably top. This might be the top place I've ever been. This tops Italy. This tops a lot of the PNW. I don't know. Just really feeling it right now. The energy is unmatched. So we looked up online a couple ideas. Typically when I'm shooting in mountains, I like to start lower in the valleys, and then as the sun goes down, I like to work my way up to the top of the mountains and get all that sun flare stuff at the top of the mountains. So we picked out a few different spots, and I think we found a winner here. It's super low key. There's not a lot of people, and it looks like insane. It doesn't look like it's from Missouri. I'm out of breath. We're gonna keep shooting until sunset and kind of just taking this as a test run and figuring out my shots for tomorrow. It's always a good idea to get a test run in because sometimes unexpected things happen and you got to kind of figure out how to shoot it. And so now it's kind of nice that we've had kind of one run through. I know what the sun's doing. I know kind of where I want to position them at what time. So it's just a matter of putting it all together tomorrow. Maybe we should do some talking. Yeah, are you recording? All right, so we're on day 2 at Yosemite. Today is shoot day. We're pumped. We thought we figured out the spot last night, but today we decided to go to a more popular location. We're hiking out there right now to check it out. We haven't seen it yet. I've seen other photographers shoot it. All I know is it looks insane. I kind of would rather, on one hand, be in a little less popular spot where we were at last night. We had the whole to ourselves, but this should be pretty epic. Just patiently waiting. It's a little bright out, but the good news is that we can work with bright. We just have to find shade, and that's what we found. So yeah, I'm ready to rock and roll. Here comes a Buick. That could be. Yes, hey guys, awesome. Awesome. Yeah. Okay, perfect. We'll be right here. Just like that. Yeah, get your other hand involved there. Yep, I like that. Perfect. Awesome. Give her a kiss on the temple. Yep, beautiful. Awesome. Perfect. Looking good, guys. Looking really good. In your pocket with your thumb out. Awesome. I want you to look at each other. Eat those noses a couple times. Awesome. And then, one sec. You can just head this way a little bit. Perfect. Turn your heads up in towards each other. Yep, touch them together. Snuggle in. So, here's the deal. We started at a super iconic part of the park, and now we are headed down into the valley. We're hoping to kind of shoot in the shade and still keeping just the iconic, we're in Yosemite. That's what we want to depict today. We could go pretty much anywhere in this park and shoot a session. There's all kinds of stuff to work with. But right now it's most important to me is getting those incredible shots, because that's what we came out here to do. So we started up at a spot that I wasn't too concerned about getting incredible light. We were able to find shade and put that on their faces, and the rest is going to be a little bit bright, a little bit overexposed, but in the end, it's really not going to be that big of a deal. They're going to look super contrasty, and the rest of it's going to look super light and airy, which I think is going to be a really cool look for the final edit. But while we're doing this, I'm kind of watching the sun and watching the time as we're going, so that we head up at the right time to get to the top, because 30 seconds is the difference between an absolutely incredible image and kind of a meh image that anybody could take. Everything is light. So that's kind of where our heads are at, and we're having a blast. Let me tell you, this is fun. This is what we love doing, and I can't wait to edit this session. Here, okay. Your legs are gonna go that way. I might move you around a little bit, but sure. Incredible. Going for a kiss. Yes, that's good. Keep doing that. Stay the same way for a sec. Oh, you guys are awesome. And then just like that, looking right here, Lena. Yep, look down at him. There's so many options.
Seriously, it's like endless.
Yeah, I want you to face this way.
Yeah.
Perfect, just like that. Yeah, you're just gonna peek your head around.
Okay.
Yes, just like that. Perfect. And look at her. Yep, just like that. And look down at your shoulder. Just eyes. Yep. Touch your heads together. Yep, just like that. Perfect. Yeah, all things.